It's Fresh Cash Friday, and today, locking down profit on an overnight hold. Gonna break down this trade here on SPAQ. Buy the rumors, sell the news, baby. That's what we did. That's what we made happen. And locking down over $2 a share profit here on SPAQ. Breaking down this move, showing you guys my entry, showing you guys my exits, the overall thought process of why I was buying this, what I was looking for, and why I was looking for a push at open, and all of that fun stuff. Talking about it right here in this video, so make sure you guys stay tuned. All right, what's going on, guys? It's Friday morning. Right now, we are holding SPAQ overnight. We bought it last night. Let me show you my entry here. My trade price on this is $14.80. And if you zoom out, you'll see what I was looking at yesterday after hours, the end of day, the close. We closed basically right here at the $15 area. So end of day, we closed at $15 there on SPAQ. There's news that a electric vehicle manufacturer, it's all about electric vehicles these days, Tesla, Nikola, NIO, Solo. It's all about the electrical vehicle cars. And news came out yesterday that Fisker, Fisker, was planning to do a reverse merger with this company here called SPAQ, which is basically a acquisition company. So they're looking to buy Fisker to take them public on the exchange. And that's something that's been happening a lot recently because that way people don't have to IPO. So instead of doing a initial public offering, companies are basically acquiring these companies and then taking them public through their already stock that's already listed, I guess. Best way to put it. That's probably not the best way to explain it, but it's basically what's going on with these reverse mergers, and there's a lot of hype around them and a lot of people talking about them. And as you can see yesterday, looking here, this is actually let's go to the 5-minute chart here. So you can see the big move. The news came out middle of the day yesterday. It popped from $11, got halted, ran all the way up here to 14, pulled back, found some support there at the 13s, and then kind of just rallied ever since then, up to the highs. I think 1790 was the high so far today. So I'm looking for a continuation here at open. Over $17 should be pretty doable with this 1480 entry. Should be very, very possible here. So that's what we're looking for. This move over $17, take a little bit of profit, and then hold the rest for the market open. I only bought 100 shares because I was hoping to get more. I was hoping for more of a pullback, but we just did not really get much of a pullback here. As you can see, it got up there to the 15s, like right above 15, and this is right where I got in there on that little candle right there as it pulled right below $15 there for that 1480 entry. I wanted to buy some more. I was hoping to buy pretty much anything in this area, the 14s, and just wasn't able to get any more fill. So only got 100 shares there, and now looking to see if we can't get a push above $17 here pre-market. And you already see the high of the day, high pre-market so far, 1790. So 1790 the high so far here. And we are currently at 1689, looking for that push back above 17 here. And like I said, there's a good chance, a lot of momentum behind this sector right now. Even if the news isn't that good here on this stock, there's still just this overwhelming idea that there's a lot of people who are going to be chasing this, and a lot of people who are going to be trying to just kind of jump in for any type of action at this point, because everybody just wants to get rich, especially on a Friday. Everybody wants to buy, sell, make lots of money. So let's see if we can get a push here over $17. Look to take a little bit of profit there above the $17 area, just to lock down a minimum of $100 in profit here. Just to that way it's guaranteed, right? Guaranteed no matter what. We are walking away from this trade with the $100 in profit, and that's never a bad day either way. So we bought 100 shares, held them overnight, and we're going to walk away with $100 profit if we can get this push here over 17. Looking like it wants to go up to the 1690s again. Let's see. We still got about an hour till the market opens. All right, so we got a nice little push here. Look at this, over that 17 level now, up there to 1740. And I think I'm going to let this one ride a little longer. I think this has some legs to go here. Kind of getting the news out there, so people still try to lag into this. See if it'll pop back up here, 1720s. Pushing back up there pretty quickly from the 17s, back up there, 1720s. So, I don't know, let me see if I can put an order out here. Try to get filled. We'll say like, let's say 25, right? 25 is pretty good, I feel like. We'll sell a quarter here. Try to sell 23s. See if we can get filled here. They were getting filled 25, so locking down a little bit of profit there. And see if we can get another push here above that 1740 area. So we take a little bit of profit here, looking for this breakout, and then try to squeeze up here above $18 at open. We'll give it some time. And like I said, still got about 21 minutes here till the market opens. So we're just locking down a little bit of profit so far and looking for this baby to squeeze at open. Right now, that 1650 area holding as support. So buyer stepping in there at the 1650 area. As long as we can hold that 1650 area, I think, like I said, this thing has room to run. Try to get up there above $18, $19, $20 today here on SPAQ. Let's see if we can get that push. Big buyer right now popping up on their 1711 area on level 2 as well. I just saw that big buyer trying to get filled there. So maybe he's real, maybe he's fake, maybe he's just squeezing it higher. Let's see what happens. It really comes down to the idea of, is there going to be a lot of shorts getting squeezed here? Are the shorts going to be stubborn? Are the buyers going to FOMO? You know. All right, so here we go. Market is about to open here. Got about a minute 20 for the market to open. So right now, looking at the bigger picture, the VWAP. The VWAP's sitting like right at this area, this 1650 area. So we'll see what happens at open if this is going to bounce 1650. You're looking for a bounce there off the 1650s for continuation higher. Trying to get up there. I'd like to get up there above $18. You know, I would like to get a squeeze here, but let's see if we can really capitalize here and get this move up above $18 here at open. We'll see what happens once the market opens. Once we get some real volume to come in here. Yesterday, some huge spikes in volume. This stock normally getting no volume, so you can see once the volume came in there yesterday, it really spiked it up here. So we are getting ready for the market to open here. I got about 20 seconds now. 20 seconds. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Market is now open. Let's see what happens. 1690 needs a breakthrough here pretty quickly. Get back above $17. Show that the bulls are in control here. Can the bulls push above 1690 here? I'm putting some stops out here right below that candle there. If we get stopped out, I'll take it. And then putting the rest of my orders right below 1650. Might get stopped out on all this if she can't go here. Let's give it a little time. Sold 25 there, so there we go. Over 17 again. We're looking for this to squeeze. Come on, baby. Over 1750. Obviously, over 1750, we should get $18 pretty quickly here. You can see the volume finally coming up here. Squeezing through those sellers there. Looking for a push 18 or higher to sell some of these. I'm going to cancel one of those stops and try to sell 25 there at 1750 and hold the last 25 shares to see if we can get a push here above $18. Above $18. She's getting up there. She's trying to percolate through here. Trying to percolate. I'm going to put my stop. I'm going to move this stop to 17 flat. That's pretty good, though. Still up $70 on 25 shares. So if we get a push over 18, we'll be up $100 on 25 shares. Not bad, not bad, not bad. Giving a little bit of time here, being patient. See if we can lock down this last 25 shares above $18. Not bad for entering here at the 15s, now selling up here at the 17s. So a little over $2. Having trouble there. Having trouble there at the 18s. It's not getting sold through there. So I'm going to move my stop up here some. Move it up there right above $17 just in case this thing starts to crater. At least that way we can at least lock down $200 in profit here. Having a little bit of trouble there. Up there to the 1850s now. Looking to lock in. Probably looking to lock in. We'll put another 10 shares out here. See if I can't sell a little bit more up here at the near 18. So lock in a little bit more there. We've got 15 shares left here on this move on SPAQ. So we basically locking in here. Close over $200 in profit on TD Ameritrade. There's no commission, so that's nice. Pretty much just green, green, green here. Let's see if we can get these last 15 shares, sell them above $18.50 now. Big buyer there at $18, popping up there for a second and getting sold into. Having a little bit of trouble here. $18.50 pushing up there, but just not being able to continue through there on SPAQ now. Come on, baby. Let's go. I'm going to put my stop here right below $17.50 there. So I'll let this stop. If I get stopped out, I get stopped out. Still locking down $200 in profit today, but we'll let this one ride a little bit longer. See where this 5-minute candle closes at. I want to see this. They got a minute left on this 5-minute candle. If it can close above $18, that's what I want to see. See the bulls in control here, but right now looking like she's selling hard from the 18.50 area. I got to see if we can close back above 18 now. Want to get that momentum to stay up here. Let's see. Might get stopped out right here. Might get stopped out. Looking mighty close to stopping. Looking mighty close to stopping. Oh no, oh no, oh no. Almost. And we are officially, no. Oh, she's bouncing. Look at that. Bounced off my stop there multiple times. Come on now. Let's go. Let's see if we can get it. Having trouble. I think this might be the end of the party now. The problem with this stock, let me tell you the problem with this stock. The problem with this stock is it's not actually, like, the deal's not done here. This is a full-on, like, just pump. So you can see some news came out this morning. This is on Fisker Inc. is planning to go public through a merger with a special purpose acquisition company. SPAQ is leading a bidding war to make a deal with electric vehicle manufacturer that could fetch about $2 billion. Sources that are familiar with the matters. This is similar to the NKLA deal. So you can see it's not actually, this deal's not done. Now, with the NKLA deal, when they did that deal with VTIQ, that deal was done. Like, that was like, when that news came out, it was basically, hey, NKLA is going to go public by doing a reverse merger with this company VTIQ. Where this entire thing is just a rumor based on sources familiar with the matter. So that's another reason that this has trouble here. And it's just, I got five left here. Whoopsies. Put my last and final stop right there below $17. Those last and final 5 shares. So you can see up there at $18.50, having trouble selling off now and now getting stopped out. So we are totally out of the trade now for $225 in profit today. Only on 100 shares, so not bad at all. 100 shares there. Like I said, I was trying to buy more at that 1480 area. Wasn't able to get filled, so not bad. Friday, taking a little bit of profit out of the market and living to fight another day. So Fresh Cash Friday today. the SPAQ, it's all about the rumors. It's all about the hype. And this sector right now, the electric vehicle sector is hot, hot, hot. So there it is. I'm locking it down. I'm going to walk away. I'm going to call it a day. It's Friday. There's no point in me doing anything else here now that this is done. So that's what's going on. That's what went down today, and showing you guys my overnight hold here on SPAQ, talking about what went down and all of that fun stuff, showing you guys the selling trades here today. So if you guys haven't already, do me one big favor. Hit that like button, the subscribe button, all the buttons down below. I will talk to you guys later on.